another cracker.
Skipper, I already gave him 15 crackers.
Sam wants a cracker.
You better make it 16 or we'll never get any sleep.
Okay, Skipper. Sorry, Skipper.
Yes, Gilligan. Gilligan. As soon as you get back in your hammock, that bird's going to want another cracker. Why don't you give him the whole box so we can both get some sleep?
You're a real smart man, Skipper.
Of course I am, Gilligan.
Well, that was a great idea. That'll keep him quiet.
Of course it will, Gilligan. It just takes a little common sense and logic.
Well, I never would have thought of it.
And that's why I'm the skipper, so I can solve the problems as they come up.
Well, you sure solved that one. Sam's got all the crackers. What else could he want now?